Students, you know very well some non-living things like mountains, boulders, and sand dunes exhibit a natural increase of their body mass. How it is possible? By the accumulation of material on the surface. So here these are non-living things but show increase in growth, or you may call their mass is increased because of the agents of nature which are bringing certain materials and placed on these non-living things, and thereby these sand dunes, mountains, and boulders are increasing day by day. So here our intention is what? Comparing the growth in living and non-living things. How it is? In living things you see the growth internally through chemical reactions, and in non-living things the growth is external because of the accumulation. So here you can see the growth in both situations, in living as well as non-living things. Because of this reason, growth cannot be taken as a defining property. Means growth can be seen in both things, living things as well as non-living things. So it is one of the misdefining property of living things. See this picture, you can see one of the important organism used in mountains to carry the objects. Students, mules are one of the best example of living things. But so here our intention is what? To understand all living organisms do not reproduce. Mules, they are the progenies, or you may call offsprings, by the mating of a male donkey and a female horse. Because of these two combinations, what happened? Mules are developed and they have different combination of chromosomes, and thereby they do not produce any gametes. So there is no again progenies, or simply you can say they do not reproduce. Living things but do not reproduce. Because of this reason, mules are taken as one of the best example for organisms which do not reproduce. One more interesting example, that is worker honeybees. They are called as sterile but living organisms. What is the meaning of sterile? Once again same thing comes. They do not produce gametes and never undergo reproduction process. We can add one more best example for reproduction which never undergo reproduction process. There is nothing but infertility in human couples. Have you heard? In so many families there is no children. Why? Because of infertility, either in male or female. That means the gametes are not functional. So the meaning here it comes, human couples are living things but do not reproduce due to their internal problems. All these examples tell us living organisms reproduce but In certain cases, some organisms do not reproduce. Because of this reason, reproduction is one of the misdefining property of living organisms. We cannot take as a defining property.